that if I cook the chicken, you'll cut the chicken.
What chicken?
The chicken. Remember yesterday you said if I cook the chicken, you will help me cut the chicken. Because you know I don't know how to cut the chicken. So the chicken is ready. Can you please cut the chicken for me?
When did I say that?
Yesterday. Last night, do you remember?
And when did you cook the chicken?
This morning, as soon as I got up, I put it in the oven. It's ready. It's been in the oven for more than 4 hours now.
What's the time then?
I don't know. You tell me. I don't have my watch. Here, what's the time?
12:30.
Yeah, it's been in the oven since 6 o'clock, since I got up in the morning. So it's already cooked.
And I said, I'll cut it.
You said to me yesterday, if you cook the chicken, I will cut the chicken because you know I don't know how to cut the chicken. So it's time for you to help me cut the chicken, please. Can you get up and help me cut the chicken?
I don't remember saying I was going to cut
You
the
said
chicken.
it. You said it. Yesterday.
You're a dreaming woman, I tell you.
You said it. Why would I make up something like that? For what? You said you cut the chicken.
About time you learn how to cut it, girl. That's all I can say. Look.
Oh, what are you doing?
Cutting the chicken.
Are you supposed to cut it like that? You're supposed to undo there's a like a tie that I tied the
I've
leg
done
together.
that already, look.
You're supposed to take that off first. Yeah, do the leg first, then the leg, then you can do like, you know, like the breast, like dead in the middle. What are you looking at? Cut the chicken.
You sure you don't want to do it?
I don't know how to do it, you know that? Do the drumstick first. Do both. The first one, then the second one. Then you do the breast, like dead in the middle. You can do the wings later. Yeah, like that. There's bony there, so what you need to do is kind of move over. Cut it close, very close to the breast. Yeah, right there. That's what you do. That's how you do it. Okay?
I'm glad you don't know how to do this.
What do you mean? I don't know how to do this.
Well, you said you didn't know how to do this. That's why I've got to cut it.
Yeah, that's why.
You're worse than a backseat driver.
What do you mean I'm worse than a backseat driver?
Well, they will tell everybody what to do if they don't know how to do it themselves. Thank God she's gone. She didn't even have a hat on.
Did you say something?
No, nothing. Nothing at all.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I was just singing a song.
Oh.
La 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 la.
Okay.
La la la.